Mark Making with Water and Alcohol by Doris Charest. Here we're going to have great fun. Water is one of the easiest tools that you can use, and so is alcohol. All you need is paint. So just take your favorite color, and you're going to cover a whole canvas with this color. This is just for practical purposes to make it easy for this demo. If you wanted to, you could have multiple colors on there. You could have 2 colors, 3 colors, as many colors as you like to create the effect you want. In fact, sometimes I repeat this effect more than once so I can have layers of colors. So we're just going to take the yellow ochre, and I've speeded up the camera so that you don't have to watch me paint the canvas in a long period of time. It takes a while to cover a canvas this size, but at the same time, you have to work fast. If your paint dries, this will not work. Neither the alcohol nor the water. So you do have to work really fast. So paint it as fast as you can. Cover the surface. If the paint dries, you're not going to get anything. So if the paint gets a little bit dry, you get small effects, and if the paint is really wet, you get larger effects. You'll see what I mean by that in a minute. So you cover the surface and completely, or not, depending on what you want to do. So in this case, I'm covering it completely so that you can see the difference between paint and then what happens when you add those effects. So I spray with water first. I let it sit. I wait, I count to 20, I always say, and then you will work with it after. Here on the other side, I'm putting alcohol on, and you can see that the effects of alcohol are almost instant. The side with the water, you don't see anything till you use the paper towel. So I take a roll of paper towel and I roll it like that and see what happens with the water. So with the alcohol, you get large components. With the water, you get smaller components. If you wanted to have large blobs with the water, you don't spray it, you just drip the water on. So that's it. That's not any more complicated than that. This old painting just wasn't working. So I decided I was going to cover it all up, add water, and then see what happens. So I counted to my 20, and then the spot started to dissolve the paint. That's what happens. And then you put it on, and here you go. A brand new background for a painting. Way more interesting than the last one. Do this part, and we'll see you in the next section.